Look for the badger. Well done, you find the hen. Excellent. Look for the rooster. You're two. Now you can go to the pastures. Where is the pig? You're two. Where is the magpie? Well done, you. Where is the turkey? Great. Where is the squirrel? Well done, you. Now you can go to a new area. Find the pony. Great. Find the red deer. Excellent. Look for the cow. Excellent. Find the goose. Excellent. Where is the owl? Great! Congratulations! You've won the camera! Touch here to take a photo. The chick uses... Look, night is falling. Help me to find all the animals before nightfall. There are 16. 1, 2, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12. Oh no, it's dark now and we can only see the animals' eyes. You can use my torch to find them, but I'm afraid it doesn't work very well. Listen. 13. Listen. 14. Listen. 15. Listen. 16. You found them all. You deserve a reward. Your camera can now make jigsaws. If you want to make a jigsaw, start by taking a photo.